good people, hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for clicking. So in today's video, it's on Sunday and we're doing a reset. I feel like that. Hello good people, welcome back to Just Cuisine Kitchen, and we are going to do another shopping haul. So let's get into it. Today is fruits and vegetables, I guess, because we have our cabbage, we have capsicum. For this we have green, yellow and red. If you have been following this channel, you know these are our favorites. And if you know I love paprika, this is what they use to make paprika. Yeah, so I bought some onions. I didn't want much because I was just topping up what I had. So let's get the onions. These were going for 3 for 20 shillings. I feel like they are now slightly cheaper. I have some in stock, so I just restocked I just added to my stock so that I don't run. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't know you were not seeing. So yeah, so I got 6 just to add on to my stock. Then I got some lemon. I just picked 3. I want to I take some lemon water. Okay, then tomatoes, I have some in stock, so I just wanted to add so that I have enough for the week. And then we have some carrots. Tomatoes, I just bought 3. I have some in stock. Yeah, here's the third one. Also, these were 3 for 20 shillings. I feel like it's not so badly off. We used to buy them at 10 shillings each. Comment down below if you have a better rate in your market. Then we have these carrots, and the ones I felt like they were a bit expensive because they were 50 shillings. Imagine I chose for myself and I chose this. Who does that? Then we have some maize. Of course, githeri is my staple food, so we'll be making some maize. Yeah, one was going for 30 shillings, which I still also felt is high. Then we have butternut. The last time I made chapatis, I really loved the butternut chapatis, and I want to make some more. Then I bought the spring onions, this for my kitchen garden. Okay, and then I got some arrowroots. You can see we have 3. I feel like they are so expensive. These 3 are 200 shillings. Then I got some sweet potatoes. These are how many? They are like, there were 5 sweet potatoes are 100 bob. I also felt they're not so cheap. Yeah, so that's what I got from that particular vendor. Let me get the other batch for this shopping. The next part are just fruits. So I'm going to boil the maize, but I'm going to store the carrots in this jar. Okay, and then the cabbage. Look at how messy, dirty these things get my counter. For the onions, I'm just going to put them in their container. And the other batch was in this bag, so I'm going to finish whatever is in the bag first. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, For tomatoes, this is what I have in stock, so I'm just going to add onto them. I can tell the difference between the newer ones and the older ones, but I'll put them on top, as you can see. The next lot, we have fruits. So the bananas we usually buy ripe. These are the nyoro. Like I said, I don't know what they're called in English. And then we get the unripe, but you can be sure this by Friday they will be ripe. Actually by Wednesday. That is why I take that, because they ripen so fast. So if you stock up ripe, then you can't, they can't last you for a week. Then we got some mangoes. Mangoes are back in season. There we have, also we have ripe and semi-ripe. So again, we will be eating as they ripen. Then we have apples, of course. No, they don't miss in our shopping. And then we have a pineapple also. Yeah, today we didn't buy grapes. We didn't find nice ones, and lately I'm in love with grapes because they are very good for snacking. And then we have this avocados. How do you pronounce them? Avocados. Yeah, so those are the fruits that we got for this week. So this is how the freezer looks like. You can see basically has broth. It has broth. It has a fish, a whole fish. What is this? And osumbuko. And we have, of course, sausages. So you can see it was basically empty. It was empty because I was planning for travel that did not happen due to unavoidable circumstances. So for us to fill up the fridge, we need to prepare the cereals. And here we are just preparing the roast cocoa beans. And we're also going to cook yeah, you can see now it has some food that will serve us for a few days or maybe a week or two, actually more than 2 weeks. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new, kindly subscribe. If you're a returning viewer or subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. So kindly let us know the kind of videos you want us to share on this channel, and we appreciate we acknowledge the feedback we have been receiving, and we thank you so much for the same. If you would like to partner with us, please let us know, especially those people who are in the hospitality industry. Let's contact us through our Instagram, or you can comment down below. So thank you and see you on our next one. Bye.